Hello. I'm once again working on my masquerade journal, and I figured out how to do a hidden spine. I mean, not a hidden spine, a hidden paper clip. So I'm gonna make some hidden paper clips. I've already made 2, but I wanted to make 2 more. So I have these huge ones. You can do it with smaller ones, and I probably will also make some with smaller ones, but since the masquerade journal itself is pretty big, I'm going with bigger ones. And so first, all you do is you take, these are just scraps, so I took them and I folded them in half, and I put them and I clip them like this. So because this is going to be the base of your clip, and then you're going to put one over and glue it. But first, last time I did not cut these, and I feel like I should not have left so much space. So I'm gonna cut. Let me. I don't want to do too much. I want to do, I guess, just enough. And I'm gonna cut them both at the same time. Because I feel like I left too much space last time. And I'll show you what I mean by I left too much space. So we have that. And I don't really have any measurements because depending on how big your paper clip is going to determine your own. So this is just like the bulk of what's going on. So now you can go ahead and attach, but I'm gonna attach after I decorate this time. So let's see. So I want to, and I'm keeping it really simple. So let's see what I have. As far as color, I kind of want blank, but before that, let's see. That's too long. Let's see. I guess since this is gonna be inside, that's fine. Let's see. And I don't want to cover a lot of this one up, so let's see. So that's that on that. And then I actually I didn't do the back, and I think that's okay. Like, you can do both sides if you want, but I'm not going to. And then I'm going to use my art glitter glue for this, because you want to make sure like they're really on there. So okay. So I'm just gonna make sure it's as adhered as possible. Okay, and that's one. And let's see. And our glitter glue dries pretty fast, so you also don't want to glue your opening at the bottom shut. Again, like I said, I did not do the backs, but you can do the back. And so the finished product would be like this. See? And it just like, there you go. And to show you again, I have one in the back. So like that's how they slide on.